Friends, I hope everyone is good. Thank you for watching my videos. Friends, today video completely different. In market nowadays, whatever we are getting shampoo, it having some cancer cancers, asthma, and skin allergy. Those issues we have. So, but many were using. There is no other option. So that is the reason we are using. And if you are going to garage to clean, they are collecting minimum 800 to 1200 rupees. Any car that is happening here. So in Chennai, that much cost they will take. 800 minimum cost and 1200, 1500 rupees maximum cost they are taking. So for that one, to avoid that one, so without chemicals, without soap, without allergy reactions, today we are going to do with organic cleaning. This is paper tape. Why I am sticking here, I will explain later. So what I am doing it means just sprinkling the corn flour. So this is completely corn flour. You know that one corn flour is very soft texture. So it's like cement powder. So it's like if you go to any shops or anyone, so mostly they will clean the mirrors and other parts with cement or corn flour. You don't know that secret actually. The commercial people will do the cleaning all the mirrors and all those things because of it is scratchless. So corn flour and cement very scratchless, but if we can't use here cement, so that is the reason I am using corn flour. So after I have done so much research in Google, I have selected here this one option. So this is very good result, I got it. So friends, what I have done means if we have more air in the environment means, so please sprinkle the water like this one. So completely spread the water like this one. On top of that one, just add or sprinkle corn flour along with water. So what will happen means because of this thing, if any air is there or anything is there, so more air or more windy or anything is there, then it will not vanish it. So that is the reason. Sorry for my English. So that is the thing. And why the paper tape I have used, main reason is in the joints, the corn flour should not go into the joints. So wherever the rubber part is there, wherever mirrors attachments are there, so I have used completely the paper tape. So just this cost 10 rupees cost. So why this paper tape means? So as I told, this corn flour, it will not go inside of the car and it will not damage any car also. And just 10 rupees paper tape, it will come around 5 to 10 times. So easily it will come because of you will stick it and you will use it very just one time 10%, 20% only you will use it. Now here you need to use microfiber cloth. So always cleaning secret. Clearly I am telling cleaning secret. You should not rub up and down. You should rub always round, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Why clockwise and anti-clockwise means any sand particles or any elements or any dust particles are there. So your car not going to be scratched because while doing the rounding, that moment all the particles it will go inside of the microfiber cloth and use good microfiber cloth. So this is very good tip. So you need to be clean like this one. So and one more thing I am clearly telling that one. So microfiber it should be always good material. So don't use any cheap quality materials. So clearly I am telling because of your car is very valuable and every person car is a bench car. I feel that one my Tata Nano as a more than bench car I feel. So that is the reason you need to clean in circle way. So like this one you need to be clean. So this is the way you need to be clean friends. Clearly I am telling. So this is the way you need to be clean. So round you need to be clean. And one more advice I am telling that one. Because of video, I am completely top to bottom I am cleaning. But if you are going to be clean the car, first you completely clean all the mirrors because on mirrors, if any dust particles are there, the scratch levels are very less. But if you cleaned car body parts and if any doors or any backside or anything, any tiles, the dust or sand particles will come onto the mirror and it will scratch completely your mirror. So my advice always, please clean first mirrors, later body. So because of video and demo purpose I am cleaning because if I can't shift always my camera towards up and down. So that is the reason I am cleaning here like this one. So friends, don't forget. So, and also one more thing, don't try to avoid bore pump water. Try to avoid bore pump water. Again, I'm telling here, due to video, I'm using bore pump water. Try to use 20 liters water can. That is enough to clean all water, whole car. So clearly, I'm telling whole car just 20 liters. So that too, if you are near to sea area, don't use bore water. Your car may get drastically rust within 5 to 6 years. And now what I am doing, it means here one wet microfiber cloth and one dry microfiber cloth. First, after water wash, so wet water cloth, what will happen means completely it will any scratches or anything is there or any corn marks are there, it will remove it, and later the dry cloth, it will help you to shine the car. So completely you can see here the corn marks are still is there, corn floor marks still are there. So because of this wet cloth is completely vanishing, and later what will happen exactly means, so see here the dry cloth, it will make you shine. So you never ever believe that one this is second hand car. You can see final product result, very ultimate result. I can say clearly, very ultimate result. I am clearly telling. So that much you got. So very good result we got. So even I have done so much research on this one. So I have done so much research on this one, and I have started working on this one, and I got good result. And 250 grams corn flour just cost 10 rupees. That's it. You can spend it. And please watch my previous videos also, friends. I'm doing so much R&D, and I'm not adding any graphics or any bullshit things and all those things. So that's it, friends. So if you like my video, please subscribe. And now you are getting ultimate result. You can see the final thing. So you will see completely. Thank you guys for watching my video. So you can see here. That's all. And you can see final video how we got result. Thank you all.